Well, the bathroom has been completely demolished or has to be demolished or totaled as AFS, Advanced Foundation Services, said, hey, you got a rotten floor here. And that makes a lot of sense. I was kind of expecting a rotten floor. That means the entire floor has to come out. All the plumbing has to come out. Basically, the entire room has to be scratched and replaced. So that gives an opportunity to completely replace the bathroom. Now, we knew this bathroom had been really, really just messed over because the tile was caving in on this toilet. The heavy moisture and probably a small leak. The moisture would be enough to weaken the floor, make it sag, and next thing you know, the thing's caving in. And the moisture from the wall, whatever else, has got black mold coming through the tub, and there's a big crack in the tub. We had an infestation. Anytime there's rot, there's infestation. Rats got in behind this tub, I think is what it is. I don't know really what caused that crack. It just happened recently. But here's an opportunity to maybe even change and appreciate the bathroom. Now, visualization. This is how I visualize the backyard. Once they started wanting to spend $11,000 on it, I'm like, hey, put in a flagstone, dig it back. But no, that's not what happened, of course. We got something else.
I have even salvaged a claw iron tub.
It's just shambles. Now,
which would have to be re-enameled, which is about $300 to $500 according to Google. My dogs like it, actually. I'm not sure if they would want to part with it, but a competent renovator, not the bad renovators, would say, hey, we got a tub, we can re-enamel it. $3,000 value. Re-enameled, like new. Goes in about a 7x7 space. I think Zeus is saying, back off. You ain't getting it. But it's there as a possibility and something to be considered if someone was going to, spend $30,000 on a $2,500 house lot. So far, with nothing to show for it except for a pile of wood in the thing, I would go for a destination bathroom, just redeem myself. Say, oh, well, when we spent $40,000, $50,000 on trying to recoup the rot, we went with the claw iron tub, a pull chain toilet, a whole theme of the destination bathroom. It's 7x7, floors rotted out, entire bathroom has to be torn out, replumbed, refloored, everything. Why not? But I've had this tub for 7 years and they have yet to move on it, so we're talking some really bad renovators.
With a proper visualization, an cast iron tub cast in here, and just a modicum of work of tiles and a new sink, you can have this destination bathroom. And I, of course, put art out here before, but have they paid attention? No. Will they, with public looking at it, and say, hey, this is a good idea. We should increase our property value by adding a destination tub and redeem ourselves from being bad renovators. Yes.